Ramon's Mobile Mechanic. We're here on scene, on site, with a bearing failure. Dexter, 10,000 pound axle. This is from my ESL drivers. You know what this is? It's a sight glass. It goes in the hub. It's for our oil bath bearing lubrication system. Supposed to put oil in there, not grease. That'll cause premature failure. Driver that's just had this serviced, I don't know, 5,000 miles ago, so. That's premature failure. Every one of these bearings has grease as lubricant. Everyone's dry. See, with the any kind of long haul, extended period load hauls, the better option is to use an oil bath method instead of a grease bath, because well, several reasons being, oil has the ability to cool itself, rotating in the system, as opposed to grease just gets hotter and hotter. Oil is preferred for longer, high-speed durations, as opposed to grease is preferable for high-impact, heavy load, dusty applications. This is not the right application. Taking your boat down to the